Back in your lives, ladies and gentlemen, Bulletproof Traders with the Market Scan and Opportunities watch list. And I want to talk about those 4 pending trading opportunities that we have on the list. As you can see, all of those 4 opportunities are still in pending mode, pending status. So we have the Trump coin, Solana, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now notice that Trump coin, we only have a short-term target, right? Medium-term target, long-term target, not available. For the Solana, we have only the medium-term target that is relevant. And for Ethereum, it's the long-term target that is available for us, and Litecoin just as well with the long-term target. Let's go right ahead and dive into it, and we'll look at those 4 pending opportunities on the live chart. All right, so here's the situation with the Trump coin. Here we have a trigger level at 2.54 right here, this line. It's hard to see the actual price tag because those are 2 levels, 2 different key levels sitting exactly one on top of the other. But the level is 2.54. It's the black line right here, and we need the breakout confirmation coming at least from the daily close, which we haven't got that yet, right? Because yesterday obviously ended up negatively. But once price action starts to break through and give us that daily close confirmation, game is on. And we're going to be aiming at the short-term target, which is at 3.30, this black line right here. Now, from the weekly perspective, we already got that breakout confirmation. So this situation is already evolving pretty nicely. The weekly confirmation, the weekly close had already confirmed the breakout above 255. Now we only need the trigger with a daily close above 2.54 to activate this bullish campaign. All right, next one we had, it was the Solana, right? Solana, which here you can see it's getting closer to the trigger, very, very close to the trigger, 105.52. Once price action secures the breakout above 105.52, trigger is activated. And then, of course, a bullish campaign will follow, which here we're aiming at 142.31. That's the medium-term target. All right, so that's the second one. Solana getting close to the trigger. We'll keep our eyes on the development situation here. Next one is Ethereum. Also getting close to the trigger. Trigger is 2595.6. Right? Once it starts to secure the breakout, preferably with a weekly close confirmation, then game is on, and we're going to be chasing 3629.4, which is a long-term target for the Ethereum. No medium-term target or short-term target in sight. All right. Lastly, it is the Litecoin, which by the way, we do have an active position on the Litecoin right now, but it's irrelevant to the pending situation I'm talking about here. We're talking about the actual trigger is our current profit target for this particular bullish campaign that we're in. But once we hit that target, which is 56.80, slightly above, not too far above it, 64.17 is going to be the actual trigger for a move, a serious move, right? All the way up to 97.12. That's the next big key level resistance. We have nothing in between. So no short-term target, no medium-term target. It's straight to the long-term target. But we need price action to actually break above the last line of resistance, the top boundary of the blue system, 64.17. That's the official trigger. All right, so those are the 4 pending trading opportunities that we have on our list. And that's about that. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.